Today we are making a simple and delicious chicken veggies wrap recipe for lunchbox. Ingredients: 1 boneless skinless chicken breast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup mixed veggies bell peppers, cucumber, carrots, lettuce, 1 tablespoon hummus, 1 tablespoon shredded cheese, 1 whole wheat tortilla 10 to 12 inches, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: avocado, tomato, pickles, cilantro. Instructions: grill or cook the chicken breast until cooked through. Slice into thin strips. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add onion and garlic. Cook until softened 3 to 4 minutes. Add mixed veggies to the pan and cook until tender crisp 4 to 5 minutes. Spread hummus on the tortilla, leaving a 1-inch border. Arrange the cooked chicken, veggies, and cheese on one half of the tortilla. Fold the tortilla in half to enclose the filling. Cook in a pan or grill for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the tortilla is crispy and the filling is heated through. Slice in half and serve. Variations: Mediterranean: add feta cheese, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. Mexican: add salsa, sliced jalapenos, and shredded lettuce. Indian-inspired: add mango chutney, cucumber, raita, and cilantro. Nutritional information: per serving. Calories 420. Protein 35 g. Fat 20 g. Saturated fat 3.5 g. Carbohydrates 30 g. Fiber 5 g. Sugar 5 g. Sodium 350 milligrams. Tips: use leftover chicken or veggies to make it quicker. Experiment with different hummus flavors or spreads. Add some crunch with chopped nuts or seeds. Make it a meal prep option by assembling the filling ingredients and storing in the fridge for up to 2 days.